And the first thing I see is this bitch Cash. She got on a fucking swim cap and a mouth guard, and it looked like one of those things that you got when you was a little kid and it go brrr. That's exactly what it looked like. So I couldn't help but just start dying laughing. Like, just, if I could have fell to the floor laughing, I would have fell to the floor.
This shit funny as fuck.
That's about to go down.
Hiya.
Hey, bitch.
I see this bitch Liddy looking like a Jeepers Creeper as she is on my soul. Peekaboo, soon as she come through, that homie, she talking about some Kashmir. Do you wanna fight? Duh. You know I wanna fight. You know what I came here for.
Let him be by himself.
Cash, what's up? You said all that shit about my daddy. It's time to go. It's time to go.